Hey everybody, welcome back to Kevin's Kitchen.
Now I'm gonna taste it in front of you, because you know how I do. Now I'm gonna taste it in front of you, because you know how I do.
Over medium-high heat, make sure you get your pan nice and hot because you're gonna fry your bacon extra crispy. Cause who wants floppy bacon? Anybody got time for that? Least of all me. How you guys been doing? Talk to me. I wanna hear about you down in the comments. I have this thing where I use my hand in hot pans far too often. Ouch. But, you know, I continue to do it. What's that thing they say about insanity? Yeah, that might be me a little bit. Like my little fighting music in the background. Don't forget, save the bacon drippings. We're gonna need them later. This is taking a little too long. Oh, look at that beautiful, crispy, bacony goodness. And my trusty red drip plate. Walmart special. Y'all know I love me some bacon. Bacon! What you can't see is me off camera popping to this music. I'm not really popping to the music. Oh snap, time lapse. Chop your bacon roughly. We're grabbing some pickled jalapeno slices. Fresh would have been better, but I like the fact that I'm using the pickled slices because it's gonna provide me extra moisture, and you really want some moist cornbread. Nothing is worse than some dry cornbread. Your friend's gonna talk about you in a group chat at the company picnic. Like, chop those jalapenos up real fine. And now we're gonna get the rest of our ingredients together for our cornbread. Gonna grab our milk. The description box down below will have all the step-by-step ingredients per usual. Inserting our packets of cornbread, cracking our eggs. Got a good mix around. Our bacon and peppers. Added a little bit of garlic, because you know, why not? And I used ready-made garlic. Slicing our smoked cheddar cheese. Key component for this dish. I also wanted to take a second to thank my 191 subscribers today. I am so humbled and so super honored that, you know, you guys are checking out the channel. I see you in the comments, and, you know, here's my Instagram. If you want a little more access and a little more inspiration, feel free to slide into my DMs, and I got you. You're gonna mix your cornbread in and your cheese really, really well together, roughly with love. Ooh, gotta get that grease. Butter it up, baby. So I'm testing out the new camera, guys. Tell me what you think. Yes. Pro tip. Bacon fat. Not too much. Just a little. Coat it around the pan. You want your corners to be sopped up. I got that from a girl, somebody else on YouTube that I follow. Love, love, love all the channels. Pour it in ever so gently. Make sure you get it all. Yeah, friends, if you haven't hit that notification bell or subscribe button, what better time than to do so right now? I'm just saying. I'm here for you, baby. I got you. I'm gonna smooth this out. My oven's already preheated. And you're gonna set this baby in there. And you're gonna test it out throughout. In about 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna take a toothpick and you're gonna stab in the center. And if it comes out dry, then you know it's done. You can't really see it there, but I sprinkled some crushed red pepper flakes on top of that cornbread just to give it that extra level of flavor and heat. And here we go, baby. Look at that. Golden brown on the top. Everybody, look at this cornbread. Bacon, jalapeno, cheddar, goodness. Like, I couldn't even if I tried. It was unbelievable. We'll get a look at the pan here. Look at that. So, all that goodness. Tasted it off camera, and now I'm gonna taste it in front of you, because you know how I do. So moist, has a perfect spice profile, not too crazy, just cheesy enough. I'll never go back to normal cornbread again. That's some bacon with that bite. I'll see you folks next time on Kevin's Kitchen.